Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a very easy stitch pattern, and I have here my acrylic yarn, and I'm going to use my 3.5mm crochet hook. So for those who just tune in, please don't forget to click the subscribe button and like and share our videos so that you will get notified every time I put up a video. So our stitch pattern calls for a multiple of 3. So if you have a big project, make your foundation chain in multiple of 3. So once you have your foundation chain, we're going to make our first chain on the third chain from our hook. We're going to count from this chain. The loop on the hook doesn't count as a stitch. So 1, 2, and 3. And on this third chain, we are going to make 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 double crochet, all on the same chain. We're going to skip 2 chains, and on the next one we're going to repeat 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, and 1 double crochet. So we're just going to repeat on all our chains. We're going to skip 2 chains, and on the next one, make your 1 single crochet, insert your hook, grab a yarn, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through both loops. 1 half double crochet, you have to yarn over, insert your hook on the same chain. You're going to grab a loop, you're going to put it up. You have 3 loops on the hook, and we're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. So that's our half double crochet. For the last one, we're going to make 1 double crochet. We're going to yarn over, we're going to insert our hook on the same chain, yarn over, we're going to pull through the loop. We have 3 loops on our hook, yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops, yarn over and pull through on the last 2 loops. So that's our double crochet. So we're going to repeat, skipping 2 chains. On the next chain, 1 single crochet again, 1 half double crochet, and 1 double crochet. So we're going to repeat across. On the last chain, we're going to make 1 half double crochet. We have 3 chains remaining. We're going to skip the next 2 chains, and we're going to make 1 half double crochet on the last chain. So we have done our first row. Chain 1 and turn your work. On the same chain, there is the same chain. This is the chain 1. This is the chain of the previous round. We are going to make our pattern on the chain, single crochet, half double crochet, and double crochet. We're going to skip the next 2 chains, this one and this one, and on the next chain we're going to make our pattern. 1 single crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet. So again, skip these 2 chains, 1 and 2, and on this one make 1 single crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet. So this is just a 1 row repeat pattern for your entire project. It is perfect for a baby blanket because it has less holes. You can also make a scarf if you want to, a lapgan, an afghan. You're just making 1 single crochet, half double crochet, and a double crochet. All the basic stitches that a beginner, all basic stitches for a beginner crocheter. Skip 2 chains. You're just going to skip 2 chains in between, and on the next chain you're going to make your single crochet, half double crochet, and the double crochet. So the same thing we're going to do on the next row and the next row and the next row. So if you're going to make a blanket, make your foundation chain multiples of 3, and you're going to start on the 3rd chain from the hook, making your 1 single crochet, half double crochet, and a double crochet. And you're going to repeat the same thing over and over and over on all your rows. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you learned a thing or two on our stitch pattern for today. It's a very easy 1 row repeat pattern. Thank you so much for joining me. Have a pleasant day ahead of you. Happy crocheting and God bless.